was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I'd still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely, broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely, broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different me, but on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again.